Hi, my name is Dr. Radha Lakshmi Sandil, consultant neonatologist, Neonatal Intensive Care Group, Apollo Hospitals, Chennai. On the occasion of the World Prematurity Day, I am extremely happy to share our high quality neonatal work at Apollo Hospitals, Chennai. 100 years ago, the preterm babies never saw any future. However, with the advancement of technology, knowledge, expertise, and experience, we've come a very long way in our neonatal journey. Our infrastructure at Apollo Hospital, with our dedicated nurses and the doctors, we are extremely proud to see that our work has enabled a standard as equivalent to the Western countries. Our outcomes have been excellent. We are dealing with preterm babies as young as 24 weeks gestation and as low as 600 grams of birth weight. Our work does not complete with just the acute and short-term outcome in your neonatal unit. We also hold your hands as long as your long-term outcome in terms of your neurological development and your general ability into day-to-day care. Our parents who are in the verge of preterm deliveries to hold a very high hope in the medical care and advancement of technology and knowledge, the faith will take the baby in a very good outcome. So, when a baby who is born at 24 weeks of gestation walks into an OPD at 8 years of age, even a doctor will not be able to say this baby was born at 24 weeks of gestation or a 600 gram at birth weight. I think this success in our medical journey has been an excellent feather on our cap. Thank you.
Every day, every time, even when I was coming in and out for KMC or other phases, I had ma'am, Radha ma'am, Meena ma'am always giving me positive support and positive words that added everything. Nancy, really thank you so much. I have no other words to thank the whole team and each and every staff or be it Sir Jamila sister. In the night we have Venkata Thelvi sister. So thanks to everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I'm Dr. Meena Tyagarajan, consultant pediatrician neonatologist, Apollo Hospitals, Chennai. I've been trained in neonatology 30 years ago and have been witness to the growing neonatal field in this country. In Apollo Hospitals, we do level 4 neonatology, wherein we look after babies who are as young as 24 weeks, 6 months of age, and as small as 500 to 600 grams. It's a long journey when these babies grow up with us, but to help us, we have the other pediatric neonatal specialists and super specialists, especially in the field of cardiology, pediatric surgery, pediatric neurology, pediatric nephrology, and also the lab services and the radiology services, which helps us raise such tiny children. Neonatology not only looks after preterm babies, it also has babies with other cardiac problems, surgical problems. We also encounter babies who have birth asphyxia, which has made a huge, remarkable difference in today's world because the neonatal specialists have discovered something called whole body cooling. We do that in Apollo Hospitals, and we seem to make a difference to the eventual neurodevelopmental outcome in such babies. We would like to offer these services across the city and even in the close by districts from Chennai.